Many people will tell you that accounting is the language of business. But why? Does anyone speak accounting? Actually, in the business world, we do. We all speak accounting. Let's say that you're a business owner and you want to know how well your company did last year. How are you going to do that? You need accounting, of course. The reason we call accounting the language of business is because we communicate using accounting. We communicate using financial statements. These are the top basic financial statements. The income statement tells us exactly how we did last year or last period. If you want to know how well you did, you will need the income statement. The balance sheet tells us the company's position at a certain point in time. It actually contains the accounting equation, as you will see later. Finally, the statement of cash flows tells us what happened to our cash. This statement will be covered at the end of the course because we have to cover everything else before we even begin covering this statement. Now, these statements are not just given. We will actually need to prepare them. That is exactly why we need to know all accounting concepts, principles, and assumptions. Everything that we will learn after this video is how to identify and record transactions, and finally, prepare the financial statements so our users can find the important information they need.